Have you ever felt like you just wanted to give someone an earful? As an English learner, it can be so frustrating to come across these idiomatic expressions that don't make sense literally. Let me tell you a funny story about a time when someone misunderstood this idiom. My friend, Sarah, was having a disagreement with her coworker, and she told him, "I'm going to give you an earful." The coworker looked puzzled and asked, "Wait, are you going to yell in my ear?" So, what does give someone an earful actually mean? It's an idiomatic expression that means to scold or criticize someone strongly and at length. Now, let's see how this idiom is used correctly. Imagine your boss is unhappy with your recent work performance. You might say, "I know I've been slacking off lately, and my boss is going to give me an earful about it." In this case, you're expecting a lengthy scolding or criticism from your boss due to your poor work. Here are some more examples of how to use give someone an earful in different contexts. Casual conversation: "My mom is going to give me an earful when I tell her I forgot to do the dishes again." Formal setting: the CEO gave the marketing team an earful about the failed campaign launch. Negative context: after the accident, the police officer gave the driver an earful about reckless driving. Humorous context: when I told my grandma I'm getting a tattoo, she gave me a real earful. Literary context: the teacher gave the class an earful about the importance of punctuality. Business setting: the client was not happy with the project, and the manager gave the team an earful in the meeting. Social media usage: my friend's post about politics got so many comments, people were really giving her an earful. To help you remember the meaning of give someone an earful, think of a visual image of someone literally filling another person's ear with a long, intense lecture or scolding. This vivid mental picture can serve as a useful memory aid. Now, let's explore some fun facts about this idiomatic expression. The origin of give someone an earful likely dates back to the 19th century, when it was used to describe a lengthy, forceful reprimand. In some regions, similar idioms are used, such as give someone a piece of your mind. Over time, the usage of give someone an earful has become more casual and can even be used in a lighthearted or humorous way. Here are some related idioms and phrases to give someone an earful. Similar idioms: chew someone out, lay into someone, lecture someone. Opposite idioms: keep your thoughts to yourself, hold your tongue. Related idioms: speak your mind, voice your opinion, get something off your chest. Let's try using give someone an earful in a sentence. The boss gave the team an earful about the missed deadlines. Now, let's rephrase that without using the idiom. The boss strongly criticized the team for the missed deadlines. Here's a real-life story that shows the effective use of give someone an earful. My friend, Sarah, was having issues with her landlord not addressing maintenance problems in her apartment. When she went to the landlord's office to discuss the problems, she gave him a good earful about the unacceptable living conditions. The landlord quickly agreed to send a repair crew the next day, as he didn't want to deal with Sarah's persistent scolding. Now, let's look at some common mistakes and how to avoid them when using give someone an earful. Grammatical mistake: saying "I'm going to give you earful" instead of "I'm going to give you an earful." Tip: remember that earful is a noun, so it needs the article in before it. Meaning misunderstanding: thinking give someone an earful means to literally yell in someone's ear. Tip: focus on the figurative meaning of strongly criticizing or scolding someone. Inappropriate context: using give someone an earful in a formal, professional setting where a more polite expression would be more appropriate. Tip: consider the context and adjust the tone and wording accordingly. Let's test your understanding of give someone an earful with a few quiz questions. 1. What does the idiom give someone an earful mean? A. To yell loudly in someone's ear. B. To scold or criticize someone strongly. C. To fill someone's ear with music. Correct answer, B. 2. Which of the following is a synonymous expression to give someone an earful? A. Keep your thoughts to yourself. B. Chew someone out. C. Hold your tongue. Correct answer, B. 3. Which of the following is an antonymous expression to give someone an earful? A. Speak your mind. B. Voice your opinion. C. Keep your thoughts to yourself. Correct answer, C. In summary, give someone an earful is a common idiomatic expression. That means to scold or criticize someone strongly and at length. By understanding the meaning and proper usage of this idiom, you can improve your communication skills and avoid misunderstandings. Now it's your turn. Try using give someone an earful in a sentence of your own. Share your example in the comments section, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English idiom lessons.